Then we are to give service. Then have a good sense of humor. Once in a while, you smile and you laugh also to the good morning means your late. Kasi na club ceremony na kami, 15 minutes na itong mga reserve. Tapos, okay. Then, we will discuss the first. We hope everybody will So the next part is definition and importance of customer relation. So what is customer relations? S and customer relation. So, anybody who can read the customer relation? What is the anybody from the word? Mr. Yamo?
Customer relations refers to the strategies, activities, and routines that an organization uses to manage and enhance its interactions with its customers.
Okay, so for customer, encompasses customer relations, refers to strategy and activities that an organization uses to manage and enhance interaction with its customers. So remember that there are important Okay, so what are the importance of customer relation? The first, it enhances So what do you see? It enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. So effective customer relation strategy help and understanding and meeting customer expectation leading to increased satisfaction. So meaning na the customer relation, usually sa una, kailangan wala ang customer relation. Usually sari-sari store, ang bibili ang sari-sari store. But even sari-sari store, you need customer relation. You say good morning, ano ninyo? Anong baklo nyo, di ba? Kapag magkutong na sinasari-sari store na nauubos na sinang 5 sa bata. Balik-balik na siya. Ang ako sa may sari-sari store rin. High school siguro ako. Ano ko na ang bata. Sa muna na po dako na lang piso. Baka na lang tanan na. Kaya kung balik ka naman, 25 nga bandi, 25 nga. Baka na lang tanan. Hindi po kuya mo, parang kulang na yabak ko. No? Customer relation yun, hindi, no? Imbis na, makato na lang sa iba na sari-sari store na may badminton. Diba? So, drive, repeat.